we'll guide you through how to create a vertical video in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the CapCut application on your desktop. Once you're in, click on the New Project button to start fresh. Now, import your video file by clicking on the Import button and selecting the video you want to edit. After your video is imported, drag and drop it onto the timeline. To make your video vertical, you need to adjust its aspect ratio. Go to the Crop on toolbar at the top of your timeline option located at the top of the screen, and choose the 9:16 feet aspect ratio. This is perfect for vertical videos, especially if you're planning to upload to platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels. You might notice that your video doesn't fit perfectly into the new frame. No worries, just click on the video in the preview window and use the handles to resize and reposition it until it fits nicely within the vertical frame. If you want to add some flair, you can include text, stickers, or effects by using the options from the left-hand toolbar. Feel free to explore and get creative with these features to enhance your video. Once you're happy with your edits, click on the Export button located at the top right corner. Make sure to choose the right video quality settings for your needs before hitting the final Export button. And there you have it. Your vertical video is ready to be shared. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.